Hello and welcome to the Arlo Lab. Today we will be going over how to install devices that connect to Wi-Fi. Please note that there are two methods of connecting to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and non-Bluetooth. This video will focus on the non-Bluetooth method. Let's get started. First of all, devices, whether dual band or single band, require a 2.4 GHz network and up to 3 megabits per second of upload speed for installation. For dual band devices, you can connect to a 5 GHz network after the installation. If you are unsure which frequency your router is emitting, first try connecting the device. And if it does not connect, get in touch with your internet service provider, and if need be, turn off the 5 GHz network or split your Wi-Fi signals. In order to connect your device directly to Wi-Fi, open the Arlo app and, from the dashboard page, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. Next, tap on Add a Device. Ensure your device is charged or connected to a power outlet for wired models. Next, tap on Choose from Device List. From the list, choose your device type. We will be adding a camera. Next, you will need to choose your device series. We will be adding the Arlo Pro 5. Once you have chosen the series, choose the device model. In the next part, we will be connecting to Wi-Fi. First, connect your phone to the same 2.4 GHz network that you will be connecting your camera to. Once done, tap on Continue. Here you will need to enter your Wi-Fi credentials. Please note that the network name and password are case-sensitive and need to be exactly what is given from your network provider. Entering a lowercase letter instead of an uppercase letter could mean the device will not connect. Once entered, tap on Continue and make sure the battery is inserted for battery-operated devices. Next, press and hold the sync button for 3 to 5 seconds. Once the LED starts blinking blue, tap Continue, and a QR code will appear. This QR code holds the credentials for your Wi-Fi network. You will need to point the Arlo camera at it for it to scan. You may need to move the camera side to side or front to back to make sure the camera can capture the code. If the code is not scanning, make sure the brightness on your device is up, that there is no light reflecting off of the screen, and that dark mode is disabled on your Arlo app device. If the issue continues, go back to the previous step to ensure the network credentials are entered correctly. Once the QR code is scanned, you will hear a distinct chime sound from the camera. Next, the app will search for your device. This can take a minute or two. Once found, you will be able to name your device. If you have multiple devices, we advise naming them differently for easy differentiation. Afterwards, the device will check for any firmware updates and install them. For this step, we advise being in close proximity to your router to ensure a strong signal. After updating the firmware, you can position the camera, mounting it where you would like it to be, but make sure the device continues to have a strong signal. Once mounted, tap on Continue, and finally on Finish. And now we have a device connected to Wi-Fi, ready to use. If something goes wrong at any of the steps and you need to restart the installation process, you will need to perform a factory reset on the device. To do so, you will need to press and hold the sync button on the device for 10 to 20 seconds. After a reset, you will need to restart the installation process. We hope this video answered your questions regarding connecting devices to Wi-Fi. For more information, check the link in the description. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Arlo tips and troubleshooting. See you in the next video.